Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta. And today we will try to understand how to generate sets in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. We'll pick up the profit from here and drop it into the columns. We'll pick up the sales from here and drop it into the rows. It will generate one dot, that is the summation of profit and summation of sales. Now, I'll pick up the product names from here and drop it into the detailings, and it will generate the scattered plot charts. Now this points 1, 2, 3. Remember this name, that is Canon image. This is Fallow's binding machine. And this is Hewlett Packard. These three products are having high profit and high sales. I want to create the I want to create the sets from it. What I'll do, I'll just select this one. Just a minute. I'll select this three, right click, and I'll create the set from here. And I'll give the name high product category. So this is the first method in which you can create the sets. Click OK. You can see here high product category has been generated. Now let us see the another method of generating the sets. So before we understand the second method, let us see by generating the sets what benefits it will give to us. This is a high product category set created. Drop it into the column. It will generate in and out. So all those products which satisfy this condition will be in. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are blue color, they are in, and those which are excluded from it are out. So this, if you click here, you can see it generates, or rather it highlights the 4 dots whose set has been created. So these are in sets and these are out sets. Now you can go further. I'll remove this sum, profit and sales from here. Remove the product name also from here, and you can drop this in and out here, and you can pick up the sales from here and drop it into the column, or rather pick up the sales and drop it into the rows. So this will give me the in product sales, that's the total, and the out product, that is the summation. This is a summation, right? This is the summation of in and out. Now how to generate the sets with a second method? So first of all, let us remove this, and I'll go in product name and I'll create the sets from here. Now I'll write down here profit greater than 5,000. So all those products which satisfy this condition are to be selected. So I'll click on condition by field. From here, I'll activate the profit. From here, I'll activate sum is already active. It should be greater than or equal to 5,000. So it will create the sets of it. It will filter all those products which are having profit greater than 5,000. So you can see here one set is created. I'll again go back here and activate, create the set. Second condition, that is sales greater than 10,000. Condition by field, activate sales from here, greater than or equal to 10,000. Click OK. So profits greater than 5,000 and sales greater than 10,000. Now activate any one of them and click on create the combined set. We will name this set as profit greater than 5,000 and sales greater than 10,000. So this is a sales greater than 10,000, and from here pick up profit greater than 5,000. Now you are having all the options which are available. You want that all members in both the sets are selected, you will go for the first option. You only want to go for intersection, then activate the second one. Third, only sales greater than 10,000. This profit greater than 5,000 except the sad members. But I want the second one where both the conditions are satisfied. Click OK. And you can see here it has generated the set. Now I'll pick up this and drop it into the rows. And I'll pick up the sales from here. And it will give me in and out from here. I can activate the entire view from here. So in sales and out sales. The next thing which I want to see is that which are the products which satisfy both this condition. So first of all, click on it and exclude. So now we are having those products which are in, which satisfies both the condition. Make this entire view. Now from here, pick up the product name and you can drop it in the label. So you can see here 1, 2, 3. It will give me three different products which satisfies these conditions with their sales figure 1, 2, and 3 with their sales figure. If I want these graphs, if I want this sales to be bifurcated according to the product name, I'll go in show me, activate from here, make this entire view, and it will give me the detailing according to the product. If you recall, Canon image is having highest sales, that is a sales more than 10,000, profit more than 5,000. Similarly, fellow is and Hewlett Packard. If I want that the profit should also be displayed, I can pick up the profit from here and drop it into the label. So it will display the profit also. You can see. So this is a way you can generate sets in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to press the like button.